Hello and welcome! My name is Alek, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to schedule posts in WordPress. The first step in properly scheduling your blog posts is to set your time zone correct. If you don't know how to do this, you can watch this video after watching this one. I'm on my posts page inside my dummy website at alekonline.com, where you can see 3 published posts and 1 post in draft mode. I will click Edit to open it and show you how to schedule your blog posts. When it opens, go to the Post section on the right. If you click the Publish button, publishing is set to immediately by default. But if you click where it says immediately, a calendar menu will open where you can select the time and date of publishing in the past or in the future. If, for example, you select May 9th as your publishing date, the Publish button at the top will become the Schedule button. You can also change the time, but I will leave it as it is. Click the Schedule button and again to confirm the scheduling. If I go back to my posts page, the post will be marked as scheduled and will be automatically published at the time and date you selected. And that's all for this tutorial. Now you know how to schedule your blog posts in WordPress inside the blog post editor. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.